Hi guys, so today we'll be building um a voice AI in that let's say for this site now, when a customer comes or client comes, they could actually click on the voice sound here to start a conversation. For those who doesn't want to say text, yeah, they could actually speak on the call real quick, and that's it. Yeah, so let's get right into it. The first step, of course, is having your voice AI available. So let's see, and I went through the documentation for this. So it shows first step, enable from the lab, which you could do from, if you go down to setting, scroll down right to labs, and then I could search for voice. Oopsie. Let me just go through. Okay. Okay. So we have TikTok messaging available. And for those of you wondering, this is high level. Yeah. Let's see where I would activate that from the sub account. Anyways, I'm gonna make a video for that separately. I'm gonna get that and make a video for that separately. But let's jump right in. The next thing is go to sites and chat widgets, which we are at right now. Then click on new voice AI and then you set it up. So let's do that. Voice AI. All right, the style. Okay. Hey there. I'm ready to have a face. Let's go. So what color we could use here? Yellow. Okay. I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. The blue is okay. So let's see. Okay, no pop-up question yet. Let's reference now. Avatar. It looks good. But no. Should be consistency. This is her. Well, I think GoHighLevel's agent looks okay. Yeah, it does look okay. Let's see. use this. That's a window. Name, phone. That's about right. About go class now. Messaging. Alright, so I updated the legal agreement, legal message from the generic one that was provided to this. This captures not just what's it called, direct calling, since we will be using our outbound AI agents. Yes, GoHighLevel has an outbound AI agent that could actually call to remind your clients of appointments, so you don't have to manually just in case you forget, you don't have to manually go to call your client for that. You could actually build a workflow around it that would, once the appointment time is set, I'm gonna show you that in the next video or some other video I'll make. So once the appointment is set, once the time 5 minutes of the time, the agent calls the customer or clients, hey, your what's it called, your appointment is due in so and so minutes or so yeah. So that this legal message covers that also, so because not everybody is attuned with receiving calls from AI, so it protects you legally. Alright, so go ahead and save, then messaging, discuss US agent, yep, deleted that, so currently voice agent, so set this as colleague, support agent, of course, so save. Alright, I think that's about that. So embed, we get code, copy this, yep, we go to sites, website, alright, so I noticed I didn't have it right within the build. I went to settings and then yep, click here, chat widget. Of course, I'm gonna update the name. Yeah, image optimization, GDPR compliant fonts, and then save. Let's do this setting also. Okay. Alright, I think that's fixed. So let's see. This refresh the page. Yeah, for many of you wondering, this is our AI employee funnel where for businesses who miss calls, and yeah, because I think according to a report about many businesses miss about 40% of their incoming calls, and we help them solve that by using our voice AI. So we are also offering an inbound AI and an outbound AI, like I explained, for reminders, email appointment reminders. You could actually remind your clients. So yep, we have this now. Um, let's test this. Test. Testing. Allow this time. I hope this works, but let's see. It's taking too long to connect, and I'm probably network.
Hi, thank you for calling GoHighLevel AI. How can I assist you today?
Okay, I think something happened, like a glitch. So let's go again.
Hi, thank you for calling Calavon AI. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I was wondering about your AI employee suite. What does it come with?
Our AI employee suite is designed to automate and optimize customer communications for businesses. Here's what it includes: human-like voice agents. These handle inbound and outbound calls with natural conversation flow, qualifying leads, booking appointments, and even handling objections professionally. 24/7 website chatbots. They capture leads, provide instant customer support, and engage visitors actively. Seamless integrations. Automate your entire customer journey from first contact to conversion by connecting with your existing tools and systems. Performance insights. Get comprehensive analytics on your AI agent's performance and customer interactions. Dedicated support. We provide onboarding and ongoing support to ensure your AI agents are optimized for success. The setup process is quick, with an average implementation time of just 21 days, and we guarantee measurable results. Would you like more details or examples of how this could work for your business?
Yeah, I'm curious as to how would it go? Like I have a roofing company, so I don't know if there's a way we could do a demo of it or before I get on it.
Got it. For a roofing company, our AI employee can be a game changer. It can handle tasks like qualifying leads, scheduling service appointments, sending reminders for seasonal maintenance, and even following up on installation inquiries. It's tailored to your industry needs. We do offer demos so you can see exactly how it works for your business. During the demo, you'll experience how the AI handles calls, books appointments, and engages with customers, all with a natural, human like touch. Would you like me to set up a demo for you? It's a great way to see the system in action before making any decisions. Let me know what works best.
All right. Okay. I would love to see a demo. Do you have a free date, or when can I book an appointment?
Here are a few available slots for a demo. Thursday, December 11th, 9 a.m. or 12:30 p.m. Friday, December 12th, 9 a.m. or 12:30 p.m. Monday, December 15th, 9 a.m. or 12:30 p.m. Let me know which one works best for you or if you'd like to see more options.
You know what? I think I'll have to think on it first. Then I'll reach back to you guys. What do you think about that?
That sounds like a great plan. Feel free to reach out whenever you're ready. Have a wonderful day.
So there we go. So your customers can just speak directly and get live response than sitting and texting. Cause I know many businesses do not enjoy texting. So yeah. All right, that is it on this demo. We'll do different video. Down below you see our um affiliate link from Go High Level, where we offer you 14-day free trial, so you could use the system for 14 days, and signing up with my link guarantee, like our agency's onboarding. We definitely onboard you, show you how to walk around the stuff, and guarantee success as well. So thank you for clicking the link and do follow for more tips.